In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an affiliate program for your GohighLevel communities. Building a community based on word-of-mouth marketing is very effective because it's the most profitable marketing strategy out there. Why? Because warm traffic converts a lot better than cold traffic. For example, let's say you're running ads to build your community. When these people come into your community, it's a very different vibe because they don't really know you, versus if a friend refers a friend, the vibe is very different. People know you, they come in with a friend. It's like a party, bring a +1, and the acquisition cost is also a lot lower. Let me show you how you can set this up. So if you're a community owner, head over to your GohighLevel.com profile, click your profile top right corner and enter the GohighLevel Studio. Right here, all of your communities will show up. Then select the community in question where you want to set the affiliate commission, click the 3 dots and click on affiliates. Right here, this is your community affiliate dashboard. On the top right corner, you can set your commission. How much money do you want to pay your referrals if they send in new clients? Simply click that little edit icon and dictate your commission. Let's say 5% and hit update commission. Now you see the commission has been updated in the top right corner. Now let's enter another community here so I can show you some data. Now this community is $49 a month. You can see this top left corner. And you can also see there are already over 27,000 people in there. Now, furthermore, you have access to the revenue from affiliates generated. So we have 25 members as affiliates registered. In the last 30 days, they've generated $100. Overall, over the lifetime of this group, and whenever the owner has created the affiliate program, 52 members have generated over $1,000. The total payout to the affiliates in the last 30 days was then $100 and $1,000 for a lifetime. Under referral activity, you can see the invitee name, the referred by, who sent this person, who sent the lead, and whether or not they have joined or they're still pending and they're still in the invite status. If they have joined, you can also see when they have joined and the total payout you have already processed to this member that referred this particular lead. Next up, you can see pending payouts. This is the money that still has to be paid by you as the group owner to your affiliates. And you can also see the payout status. Has it been completed? Is it still pending or has it failed? Pending can be maybe the time is not up yet. So maybe you have in your terms and conditions, hey, we pay commissions every 60 days after the affiliate joined. Then this could be marked as pending or failed. Maybe the bank details have changed and you need to go and update those bank details. In this case, you can also download the bank details via this download CSV button right here, and then try and process the payment manually or update the bank details and re-upload it later on. Now let me show you how the dashboard looks like from a community member's perspective so they can follow up and see how much commission they've generated. If they want to access this data, they can just click the icon in the top right corner of their profile. Then they click on affiliates, and here they can see all the communities that are offering a referral system. As an affiliate, that's the money you are still about to receive for your referrals. It's important that you remember to enter your bank details before you start promoting that you can receive your commission. Whenever you forgot what is your link, you can access the link also here. You can just click the blue button, copy your referral code, and that is the exact link that you can share with your friends to join a particular community. Now at the top, you can see all the communities and the particular commission they pay for referrals. And further down, you can see your referrals. These are all these people you have invited. You can also see the joining status. Have they joined yet, or are they still on invited and haven't joined yet? When they have joined, and the earnings you've had for each lead. Then you can also see the pending payouts, and same as before, the payout status. Is it completed? Is it pending, or has it failed? Now, who can receive an invite link? Every paid member in a community can receive a personalized referral link. A commission only is then created when an invited lead joins the community and paid. The commission is not being created if they're on a free trial, for example. Please note that also the payouts are directly managed by the community owner and not by GohighLevel. The owners are able to update the payout status manually. Under the referrals tab, they can just change from failed to paid, for example. And again, if you as a community owner want to pay out your commission, you can simply download all the bank details via this simple CSV file download button and start your payout manually. And if you want to learn how to monetize your audience and make more money online, click the links around this video. Let's have a chat and we will see what we can do for you. I will see you on the other side.